This is my JP60 electric guitar, which took over 90 hours to complete. For the main body, I used a picture of the guitar and scaled it to be life-size. From there, I physically took every precise measurement that I needed using a measuring tape. I did not include electrical components in my model, as I would not fabricate these parts when making the guitar. Here on the surface, we have the holes for the humbucker pickups, the truss rod wheel, the bridge, and the volume/tone knobs. This space is where the neck is attached. On the back, there's still the bridge holder, and there are holes to screw in the back plate. This is the electronics cavity, which holds the knobs, potentiometers, the input jack, which includes an input hole, and other electrical equipment. Lastly, I also made holes for the strap buttons, and these are the strap buttons which hold the guitar strap. These are the volume and tone knobs, which I've cut and painted a section of so you can see the rotation. I made these knobs to the body with a concentric and distance mate. The bridge consists of three parts: the whammy bar, the pegs to hold the bridge in place, and the bridge itself. The whammy bar with a hole to screw in a bolt which will keep the whammy in place, but the bar can rotate. These holes are for the pegs, but this is a floating bridge, so the pegs are the only thing keeping the bridge in place. These holes are to feed the strings through, and these blocks are cut to guide and hold the strings in place. Then I made use of the intersect tool to connect the midsection and the headstock and the block section. On the fretboard, we have fret markers which are filleted in their correct positions. There are 24 frets total. The nut is also in place. The headstock displays 6 holes for the tuners. The end of the neck shows a truss rod adjuster, and if you make the neck transparent, you can see the truss rod embedded in the neck, which bends to adjust the direction of the curve of the neck. The tuners consist of 4 parts, 3 of which move. This is a static analysis on the whammy bar, which is AISI 1045 steel. The simulation displays the guitar player applying a force on top of the whammy bar, with the short end fixed as it is supported in the bridge. With a force of 50 newtons, we only see minimal stress and strain closest to the junction of the bars, and most displacement at the end.